Hi everyone. Today I'm here with another tip to improve English communication. So let's hear it. So one of the things that uh, I faced is that whenever I try to speak, my mind is searching for the right word, and I'm not able to find the word. Right. So what happens is that drills down to that we don't have enough vocabulary. So how should we increase the vocabulary? So one of the wrong approach that I've taken is start remembering the words, identify the new words and write it down and start remembering. But that won't help. That did not help because if you start remembering the new words and if you don't use it, then after some time you will forget it. So there is another thing that helped me to improve my vocabulary is start reading newspaper and the books. I focused heavily on the newspaper because I had natural interest in reading whatever goes in the news. So I started reading newspaper like around 1.5 hours. What happens is after some time you will start grabbing a lot of new words that are used in the newspaper, and if you follow any newspaper, so every newspaper has a style of writing it. So first I started reading the Hindu, and I found it very hard because they had very different words in the newspaper. Then I started with the Times of India. Initially, I found a lot of new words, but the idea is when you start reading the newspaper, there are a lot of things. There are many words which you don't have to search out the meaning. Once you read it, you will understand what is it meaning in this context. And English is a funny language. It has multiple meanings in a different context. So once you start learning the context, then you start inferring the meaning as well. That is very important, and that use started to happen. Initially, I found various new words in the Times of India and start, and after some time, I was not able to find any new word or anything. It was very easy for me. Then I switched to the Hindu newspaper. Then I started reading more new words. But one of the thing that you need to do is you don't need to search for every word that you encounter. Just start reading it. It might be that you read an article in that only 70% you were able to comprehend, but that's fine. From 70% you will reach 100. So again, back to the tip, start reading newspaper and books. It will improve your vocabulary. Thank you. Over to you.